If you want to quit Anydesk full screen or stop it from opening in full screen every time, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you two easy methods. First, how to change the default view mode for new sessions, and second, how to turn full screen on or off while you're already connected to a remote computer. This is perfect if you want more control over your workspace, need to multitask, or simply prefer the windowed view. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's look at how to set full screen as the default for new sessions, or turn it off completely. Open Anydesk on your computer and wait for it to load. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon in the top right corner and click it. From the menu, select Settings. This is where Anydesk keeps all of the main display and session preferences. In the Settings window, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Display. Now scroll down until you find the View Mode section. Here, you should see an option that says Start New Session in Full Screen Mode. If you want every new remote session to open full screen automatically, make sure this option is enabled. If you want Anydesk to open in a normal window instead, simply disable it. This is the main setting to check if Anydesk keeps going into full screen when you don't want it to. After you change the setting, just close the settings window. There's no need for a complicated save process in most cases, and the change should apply to future remote sessions right away. So if your goal is to quit full screen for new connections, this is the setting you want to change. Now let's move on to the second method, which is useful if you're already in a remote session and want to switch out of full screen on the spot. Start by connecting to the remote computer as normal and wait until the session is fully established. Once you're connected, move your mouse pointer to the top edge of the screen. This should reveal the session toolbar. On that toolbar, find the display icon, which usually looks like a monitor. Click that icon to open the display controls, then look for the view mode options. From here, click full screen to turn it on if you want the remote desktop to fill your entire screen. If you're already in full screen and want to quit it, just click full screen again or deselect that option. That will switch the session back to windowed mode. If the toolbar seems hard to find, just move your mouse slowly to the top edge of the screen again. In full screen mode, the toolbar can hide until you hover near the top, so don't worry if it doesn't appear immediately. Once you've used it a couple of times, it becomes very easy to switch back and forth. So to recap, if you want to stop Anydesk from opening full screen by default, go into Settings, choose Display, and turn off Start New Session in full screen mode. And if you want to exit full screen during a live session, use the top toolbar, open the display controls, and toggle full screen off. Both methods are quick, simple, and take just a few seconds. I hope this tutorial helped you quit Anydesk full screen and take control of your remote sessions. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.